Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk through a quick and easy guide on how to disable the Match Do Not Disturb Schedule to Device Time Zone feature on Google Chat, right on your PC. This update has made settings a little different, so if you've been wondering where to find this option, stay tuned, we'll go step by step. First, open your web browser and go to google.com. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture, and right beside it, there's an icon made up of 9 small dots arranged in a square. That's called the Google Apps menu. Click on those 9 dots, and a list of different Google services will appear, things like Drive, Gmail, Calendar, and more. From that list, find and select Google Chat. If it doesn't show up immediately, you might need to scroll down a little bit to locate it. After Google Chat opens, look again toward the top right corner of the window. You'll see a small gear icon, which represents the Settings menu. Click on that gear to access your chat settings. In the menu that appears, you'll see several tabs related to your preferences for chat and notifications. Choose Notifications. Once you're in the Notifications section, look for the option labeled Match Do Not Disturb Schedule to Device Time Zone. By default, this option might be turned on, which means your Do Not Disturb schedule automatically changes depending on your device's time zone. To stop this from happening, simply toggle that option off. You'll know it's disabled when the switch is gray instead of blue, and that's it. You've successfully turned off the setting that matches your Do Not Disturb schedule to your device's time zone. Now, your Google Chat. Do Not Disturb hours will stay consistent no matter where your device is located or what local time zone you're in. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to go through your other Google Chat settings while you're here. Customizing notifications can really help you stay focused and organized throughout the day. Now, you know exactly how to keep your Do Not Disturb schedule steady and in your control with the latest Google Chat update.